Thank you for using Dental Software Compare, the dental industry's first software vendor comparison and evaluation tool. If you would like to begin using the tool at any time, just hit close at the bottom of this tutorial. When you first open Dental Software Compare, you'll see a fully populated data table that consists of all the vendors, all the categories, and all the individual features that you might need for comparison purposes. Please use the vertical scroll bar to scroll the table up and down. Depending on your screen resolution, you might need to use the horizontal scroll bar to scroll the vendors left to right. The vendors are designated in the top row. The categories and individual features are in the left-hand column of the table. Also notice that interspersed among the categories, features, and vendor responses, there are blue information icons. When you click on any of these icons, you'll get additional details on a specific item. Over on the left navigation bar, you'll find our filtering system that will let you choose companies, categories, and features for your comparisons. If you click on the Search by Company button, a list of companies available will display, and you can pick and choose the specific companies you would like to compare in the table by clicking on the plus and minus icons. To close the company list, just click on the up arrow. If you click on the Search by Category button, a list of categories available will display, and you can pick and choose the specific categories you would like displayed in the table by clicking on the plus and minus icons. Note that each category has a drop-down associated with it that will display all the features within that category. You can add and subtract features to the table by clicking on the plus and minus icons. Clicking on the magnifying glass on either a category or a specific feature will quickly display what you are looking for. To close either the category or features list, just click on the up arrow. Finally, if you click on the Search by Feature button, a full list of specific features to compare will appear. And you can choose which ones to display by clicking on the plus and minus icons. To close the feature list, just click on the up arrow. If you would like to redisplay all the vendors and all the categories and features, just click on the Refresh Table button. If at any time you're not sure what any of the icons represent, we have a legend which describes each of the icons' functionality. If you're interested in learning more about the software evaluation and selection process, just click on Consulting Services and open up the Evaluation and Selection checklist. This checklist calls out some of the critical steps to follow when selecting software. If you're interested in learning more about critical items to look for in your software contract, just open up the Contracts Review checklist. In this checklist, there's a wealth of information based on years of contract negotiation experience in deals. To get back to the comparison tool, just click on Vendor Comparison Tool in the upper navigation menu, and you're back. Enjoy our Dental Software Compare tool, and please come back as we add new vendors, categories, and features.